Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you how to control who can reply to your posts on the Tumblr app using your phone. This is an important feature that helps you manage your interactions and maintain a safer, more personalized experience on Tumblr. First, open the Tumblr app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, click on the settings icon at the top right. Then, click on Account Settings. Inside the account settings, after that, find and tap on the Replies option. This section controls who is allowed to reply to your posts. At the top, you will see Replies to your name. Tap on it. Then we'll see three options. You can choose Everyone can reply. Tumblrs you follow and Tumblrs following you for 1 week can reply, or only Tumblrs you follow can reply. Finally, select the option that best suits your needs. Your choice will update instantly, giving you full control over who can respond to your posts. You can change this setting anytime to adjust your privacy and engagement preferences. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.